Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
So, if this is not politics, I don't know what is. Anyways, let me backtrack a few days ago, where I was invited by the president of St. Mary Chamber of Commerce to a disaster meeting for the parish today at 2 o'clock. Now, in my WhatsApp messages, of which, in groups, the Chamber Commerce group, of which the mayor is a member, there's a clear invitation at 2 o'clock today for a disaster meeting. Anyway, Mr. Frederick Young, who is the president of the St. Mary Chamber of Commerce, specially invited me. Come, you need to. I am the health coordinator for the St. Mary Chamber of Commerce. We have been having issues recently because I'm a private practitioner, and we've been having issues recently about information not forthcoming from the MOH and from the whole COVID management itself. And so we have decided to lock shop. Well, I have locked shop. Anyways, disaster meeting today, walked into the mayor's chamber. Oh, the mayor himself, Richard Creary. Oh, who is this young lady here? Oh, who is this young lady here? Like him don't know me long time. Who is this young lady here? Mr. Young, who is the president. What happened? It's not a public session, and whatever it is. I don't know how this come not to be a public session, because every councillor is in there, fire is in there, RADA is in there, and everybody is in there. And this is not a public session, but I was invited by the president of the chamber, and I'm the health coordinator. So anyway, don't know how it's not a public session. Oh, we just need one representative from the chamber here, and Dr. Hines is one of them who has been, creating mayhem about this COVID situation. And I got up, and the chamber president, he got up and left also. And we are a little bit startled at the display from His Worship the Mayor. Because if you backtrack to my previous post about COVID, nothing to do with the country, because we are grossly mismanaging this. But what he doesn't like is that recently, since he wants everybody to know, recently I asked why we are not washing down and sanitizing the public space, and he said it was unnecessary to do so. I asked several measures, I suggested several measures, and he thought them unnecessary. I spoke about the vending in the town, the deplorable state of the town, and he took total offense to that. And that is why he doesn't want me to represent the chamber at the meeting. But if your worship the mayor, go on. Come me, go to medical school. Don't know where you went, but I know that you cannot find anything wrong with the deplorable state of the town, because I see him where your mother house look. Good afternoon.
You see the country when you're in Jamaica, that parish that is known as St. Mary, and that place that is known as Port Maria, well, according to what has been said on social media, is that this person is said to be a doctor, and it is said that she said some things about the mayor of the place that is known as Port Maria. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, this video out on social media, some persons are saying that she disrespected the mayor of Port Maria, and some persons are saying nope, she's only telling the truth. Well, viewers and subscribers, me just bring this video so that you can have a look at it and tell me what you think. You see me? Because really and truly I don't know what to tell you about what has been said in this. You see me? Yeah, really and truly. I mean, the last part of it. So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Did she disrespect the mayor of Port Maria, or is it that she did not disrespect the mayor of Port Maria? Let me know what you think. Alright, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.